What if power today is no longer measured by armies or borders, but by influence? Global influence is the ability to shape ideas, values, and behavior across societies. It operates through culture, economics, media, and technology. Sociologically, influence is not just about control. It's about shaping what people see as normal, desirable, and true. Historically, influence was tied to empires. From Rome to colonial Europe, power spread through conquest and governance. But influence didn't end with political rule. It extended into language, culture, and knowledge systems that still shape the world today. With globalization, influence has become less visible but more pervasive. Antonio Gramsci introduced the idea of cultural hegemony, the ability of dominant groups to shape norms and values so deeply that they appear natural. Influence works best when it is not questioned. Later, Joseph Nye described soft power, the ability to influence others through attraction rather than force. Countries no longer rely only on military strength, but on culture, media, and ideology. In today's world, global influence is accelerated by technology. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube distribute ideas instantly across borders. Trends, values, and narratives spread faster than ever, often without clear origins or accountability. Contemporary sociologists highlight that influence is not equal. Manuel Castells argues we live in a network society, where power lies in controlling flows of information. Those who control networks shape global consciousness. At the same time, Pierre Bourdieu shows that influence depends on different forms of capital: cultural, social, and symbolic. Not all voices carry the same weight, even in a connected world. From a Muslim intellectual perspective, influence carries responsibility. Ibn Khaldun emphasized that power and influence rise and fall with social cohesion and moral integrity. Without ethical foundations, influence becomes unstable. Influence, then, is not just about reach, it's about direction. So what is global influence today? It's subtle, constant, and deeply embedded in everyday life. It shapes how we think, what we value, and even how we see ourselves. The real question is not just who has influence, but how is that influence shaping the world we live in? Because in a connected world, influence is everywhere, but awareness is rare. If this changed how you see power and society, subscribe for more insights into sociology, global systems, and the ideas shaping our reality.